Ngibona ngehla nyuka ntwana ngisuke nyotabalazi Alitheli ungangijaji ngifuna le mali ungibona ngiphanda kaji Ungibona ngehla nyuka ntwana ngisuke nyotabalazi Alitheli ungangijaji ngifuna le mali ungibona ngiphanda kaji Unubhekisa kwetafuleni
Sanibonani bafethu, and this is your boy uKatlego Ntariana Mula aka Mr. Soto Kafele Yamotsiba aka Mr. Cool himself. Intwana zemakhonji la kulomo tsotsi la kujiya khona ipoti. I was born in Soweto but my soul lives in Italy. That's why they call me Intariana bafethu. Welcome to Ikasile Vukile bafethu at Bakura Drive. Same deploy by the way, Niyaz at the location we keep it the same. So namhlanje ke kuze uNkulunkulu avula amandla. Wathola amakhosana wama-YouTube vandaag. So we had an ad engishayela no-Chuck D which is seyiphumile. Kunenye engishayela no-Tiro which is seyiphumile. Si-1-1 but namhlanje sihlangene. So makhosana, thank you. Yanko. Welele namanje. No bantu benu bafethu. Young intro, then we wrap it up.
As I check in Panetiro, Vici Luciano, first black Italian, Sasso Minato, I'm older than smarter 2.0. It's so wet to you. That's it's coffee. It's your boy. Numero uno gambi. Are you get?
Welele, ayijiga inasteering bafethu, Chakatola bafethu, Tanagacharo, Mshana Kamchacho, Welele, ayijiga yasemfulo bafethu. Thank you Kasile Vukile, ayijiga inasteering.
Anko.
So what to come Ghana? So the West there.
Yes, we all about Ikasi talks, unfiltered conversation. Yonke into esikhuluma into yasekazi. So mina bafethu ngicela ukuqala ngami ngidala ngicala ngathi. That means holiday. I just want to raise the awareness. Tanko khotmane, akusela ukushisa bulisana. Ditho mina diyawela papa. Okay, kawuthepa. Obviously sasele lidlodlo mzangithi wazi lokushini siphila kanjani. Isipopom. So bafethu something is happening, yeah. Ipetrol ikhuphukile.
Hey bro.
I-job employment iyehlile.
Yeah, no.
Ngapha sesithenga ugesi and abantu baya-strike.
That's all resulting to crime.
So
Criminology.
ngicela ningitshele zamakhotmane minute. What's your take about that? Yokuthi kumele sithenge ugesi.
Fun. Well, personally, I don't believe in a free life, free everything. You know?
Yeah.
As much as people want everything to be free.
Yeah.
Well, you can't just have anything for free. And for one, so if you look play man on the ESCOM, see further under the clause of government because it's a private entity. The ESCOM and government are in business. It's not one thing. So thina sinokwenza ama demands towards ESCOM kakhulu ngathi manje yiyo our government. No, it's a private sector. Leo party yayibona mara actually lento yenzakala manje it's only going to result in crime I feel.
Then
Like kuyashuba vele no like times are hard. Times are hard for ukuthi Eskom could strike igasi yaso. Phela manje sebafaka ama prepaid gas to gas yabona. Manje abanye akara ama-pipe yaptoyiwa
abanye aba-afford bafethu.
and mara why mele must we always resolve it? Mele si-resolve izinto ngetoyitoyi.
Asiphele ngetoyitoyi.
Okay.
It's not like i-government mawuzoyishayela i-email izokuphela.
Yonke indlela ebasiza
So hiyo vele. So masifuna into eyenzakala mele sitoyitoyi.
Kumele sisebenzise i-force.
Alright.
ya feri hayo nabo indaba yogesi mfethu vele njengoba bashilo uthile hayi kodwa sifuna vele into zamahhala manje ngithola but mfethu mawutebheka ngelinye ilizwe abantu abathile
At least bangayi flat rate.
ekuseni abantu abavuka ekuseni ukuyobloma nje ubabheke nje engakho bafiwe abayogibela
Yeah, bafiwe blind.
abantu abagibela ekuseni bafiwe abasala ekhasi baningi
Kaningi.
Yeah, sure.
isipana sikho abantu baphila ngama-370 iphuma sekuyi-350 chokola insaba ibhenki ngitshole 350 ukudla kuyadura izinto zilokhu zakhuphuka ama-price inflation shukile ngiyangithola so bese ku-350 ugesi uzobhaka ngani
Ningakho endlini ngaso isikhathi leso.
ningakho endlini
Because omunye
phela khona umuntu okuthi mfethu yena huye ukuthi khona uthola i-income and nakhona leyo 350 maybe imiphando yakhe esayidini nakhona lawo ma-piece drop avela sometimes
Sure.
noma ithole inyuku mara ngeke avele athathe iyothenga 100 units yogesi ngoba uyabona ngapha
Endlini
shoda impuphu
nesisu siyakhala
Angithola.
nalento
ngeke adle umhlakazi.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
That makes
yeah. So, but for the resulting column prepared, we do understand with the Eskom as a private entity whereby I hlangananga no government. So, in your own way, Tino, you think with the government means parliament. Into short.
That's exactly what. Many paramedic would at least even a flat rate. That one should maybe each house but flat rate look okay 100 rand a month or 100 rand. So that one among the flat rate is gonna be workable. Manje no Eskom shabantu ngento zokuthi machapeka when imithi yakini since ikolota from nesasikhathi kusaphethe upota. Actually, so about 100 and something thousand worth of electricity. Will it make sense ukuthi when now you inherited isikoloto sikagogo wakho? Doesn't make sense.
Yeah,
Yabona?
yeah.
So they need to break that out. Then come to a stage ukuthi angeke ufele into ngaya.
Ubhadala ugesi engasebenzisa.
Hayi bafu. Vava nje. So it's better if kulandwe iEskom ngendaba ukuthi let's get a flat rate.
Sure.
Saying asithi each house
Sure.
ibe na 3 clips because it's quite unfair ngoba amanye amadlaja agcwele ama E20 nama E20 vele kuzoba inyoka because manje yabona mawufuna uku-extend kumele uye bakwenzele i-certificate
Nama i-20 social
baze bayi-evaluate indawo ukuthi is this place fit ukuthi ingaba nama-toilet ayi-3 running water is it gonna be yabona kumele kube na-riding uma ingajulanga riding it's illegal development so manje sigcwele nge-illegal development ebhayi emikhukhu nani
Nama-room, ningathi imikhuku kuphela, nama-room.
nama-room ngayi
Yeah,
and
of course.
nakhona vele ibula yadla riding that's why kuba ne-sharing yabona
Yeah.
so
maka lo ama-room abhaya yena mele vele arhase ngoba
kwamele and then yabona naye prepared it actually makes sense
angenayo
Yeah.
yebo
ane prepared grant actually you pay as you use yabona
Manje
at least
prepaid-
ngoba uyazazi ukuthi wena mina ni-user umhlakasi kangakanani it's better actually
Okay, what do you say about local businesses? Tell us, we have local businesses. Let's say on Makunya Buma, your Polish, your Football.
but they are not local free givers they are local businesses so they're in business baba oh
So, manje,
bayenza imali you must spend money to make money so you get that money
so manje into engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi kunabantu abangawasupport. Kunesiphathi esivuliwe mara thole that ingasupport njengamakula.
that's
So,
why
noma
okay that's why bawakapa amakula no
Yeah.
so bayawatrapa eLondon amakula no ayatrapiwa bakhisha ngevosho
angizwile
kumele sivayele
Hlubile.
Fede mara why aren't we making a difference bengakho abantu aba-serious about pusha iphaza ke for an
Oh, na ugesi uyadura. Like
ayikho right namakula asho akhona kanjani
amakula nemali. Uyadura Thilo.
Uthi uthengisa ukudla uvula ibhizinisi akhetha ukudla feli
wenza imali
Yes.
wenza imali khona ama-company bheka aphila asurvive nge-profit like 8% profit kuma-3 rand profit 2 rand profit but because balabantu laba they consistent and they on point and they deliver
Phela sikhuluma
iyabaspanela
manje. Longa sisi sila.
abheka anywhere else in
Yazi
business
istop sama-chips sokwenza ikota, sokwenza ama-chips sisho umhlakasi.
yabona-ke for ukuthi uqale ukubona ukuthi ikota business yakhe yakutheshela you must actually wait for at least dividends nyana ezoza ye-profit in 5 years time not now you must have consistency that consistency in 5 years that's when you can look back and say okay sharp where am I placing manje wena uvula 2 months wena sewufuna imali maqeda uyasidurisela ngala mapaloni wakho abonile aphephula watholela imjerijeri awukahle awu business is business so if you step into the business world you need to have a business ethic you need to be business educated angithola yeah so that indaba thina kaka sinabo professional
ngoba nakhona vele
to run a business you don't even have bookkeeping
uvusa ilona another thing ile yabona abali naphansi ukuthi spend money
you don't have records mara wena you
uthola umuntu business uyivulile mara ufuna ukuthi manje leyo pesa akhethe isheshe iphume
sure
ijaha liyasuzisa.
ejaha
liyasuzisa.
So manje
Balile.
ujahile ukuthi le nto le
Yeah.
isheshe iphume mfethu ngeke mfethu yabo
Yeah.
i-Pick n Pay ayivelanga yathi iphume wena ngale angithi qala phansi njengosibani bani yabo angeke sithi ngoba uRichard Maponya bekabhayisa amatamati
Just
Nelson
now,
Mandela
now,
kabhayisa but iphushe mara mfethu into yakho mara ungajahi ukuthi manje ufuna ukuthi uyabazi abantu mfethu unokudlala nge-1 rand mara afuna ukubamba i-2 million into zokubhetha angeke ulathe i-2 million ngezulu
Angeke.
marivari nalaba belotho bafethu yena kusikema impilo angeke udlale nge-2 rand bethi ufuna ukuwina 20 million bese
The Hollywood
uthi
bet.
wrong.
Mm.
So but then in conclusion bafethu what we saying is let's have a flat rate yabona uma nebhizinisi imali maye emalini. That was my topic about ama-prepaid. So anizozanga wenu sesizwile i-conclusion bafethu siyavuma njengawubhadala ugesi but asibe ne-flat rate. Nicabange ukuthi kunabantu abangasebenzi abaningi then kunabantu abahleli emakhaya abaningi. So let's have a flat rate.
usatsheliwe leli lami ukuthi likoloto leli lami
Bese kusaleleni makhaya. Wabashele emakhaya.
leli lami bathi likoloto
150K.
Uhlakasa yabona. And nasi isikoloto akusesakhe sakagogo wakhe nogogo wakhe bekuyisikoloto sakagogo wakhe. Inherited debt. Hayi baba. Hayi baba.
So nabantwana bethu
Doesn't work.
laba bayakolota manje.
So lapho kula Eskom ihlanya khona ke lapho bayahlanya. They must go sue
Okay.
our ancestors. They must sue God.
So they must suck. Seriously. Okay,
Suck.
wait, the second one is coming in. When I raise my issue yasekhaya namhlanje concern yami which is ama-prepaid.
Ntangazi what about le cherry ekwaziwe and izenzakala like us. Kwazi enye cherry lentwana lezi zamageng or inhle what's the story bro?
Konke yabona leyo. Hayi ka.
Angazi ngifuna le cherry ekwazekile kwenzakaleni
Ekwazi ubuso. Like kune-cherry abayikwazi ubuso bafethu.
Yeah.
Kune-cherry abayikwazi ubuso e-Deep Blue. I-cherry ikwazi iy'ntwana encane. And
Yabona.
akusiyo kuphela i-incident eyenzakalayo. Like le gang what gang man le ntwana lezi zama-gangster man ebafethu nasikhathaza
Aye.
sithengisa ama-grandpa every day. So leyo yazi ngibuyisela vale leyo question yakho ngiyisa kukasi rap
Yeah, that's it right.
because le ntwana zimamela nini
Yibo ba-influencer.
nabo abantu bakho bayasikhathaza sibayenzeni eyi khuluma uwe
asiqalela kokuqala ne-suspect ayikabani
ayikaba
uyangithola so wena ucaba kanjani ukuthi imamelika si-rap le kungakacabuka nokuthi kungakacabi ukuthi ubraba uyibonile akukacabiwe ukuthi ubani
mara cause
yabo isaseyi-110 ayikaba asazi ithole henge nje eziphiyesele ulokuthi ipantsula kanti heke phiyesile ishaya namazipho angithi sekupendwa namazipho abe-black uyangithola ishaya lezo ishamanye amacici extende namadlebe heke nje ishaya isiphanga ngeke sivele sithi yabona nepantsula
Manje laba bangene labasenji mbona.
no ngifuna ukuza i-story. So wena for no into ongayisho ukuthi okay asingamcultivate sithi ipantsula or yini but let's just stop
asimazi maybe henge esontayo nje icavuka kujona thandaza nangama-tongues uyangithola mari yenza into so akukacavi ukuthi leyo ntwana iwubani yabo kwezinye ngingathola ukuthi uma bakubonisa leyo ntwana le ntwana le sithi kanje yabo akusingayipantsula yabo so
so regarding that bafethu kwamanje kusho ukuthi sisazoyizwa masibuya on the next episode sizotshela ukuthi le ntwana ibhutshwa or ipantsula but then shout out kumaphoyisa nama-green beans bafethu yabona la bengicabanga ukuthi amaphoyisa nama-green beans awasebenzi wait till bakubamba uzo-understand ukuthi bayasebenza. So Tiro, you raise something but shout out yabona nabantu bomphakathi basayola abantu
bayolisa umhlakasi.
bayolisa umhlakasi sikhuluma ngabo bayandlula kwe-rough kuselokishini. So by the way bafethu semakhura drive, make sure you pull up number 1 car wash that's rocking and hey lamani drive at amapo so shout out to that one time. So Tito, you are raising something currently but then bafethu the GPV thing must stop. and ayikho emantombazaneni hhayi ukuthi abafana abashaya amantombazane, namantombazane ashaya abafana.
Yeah.
Vele.
And like ukushayana nje
Ukushayana
is toxic.
vele kuphela.
Does expand.
Akukho khona.
Ukushaya kanjani umuntu othi amncane? How do the very same lips that say I love you turn around and then say fuck you? I understand.
Understand.
So there's a moral ethic twisted when it comes to relationships. If you're never doing, it's not even a darky thing or what. General.
Angithi le nto
Got it
ngangisho
twisted. Abantu
ukuthi
got it twisted.
uyadliwa nensaza yakho Ntariyana, yabona? Uyabona manje iphezulu. Nawe uzoba
Now uzoba phezulu, what's the
yazi
difference?
wena kumele
Yabona
ukuthi
ka?
uphume ushaye i-round
Awuba nensazi.
studio or uziyele wephike
Ah,
phezulu namajita ashayelele.
There are ways to deal with
Uzobuya
it.
sekayefile
Or
ngoba nizorasa nirasa agcina akutshela amanye amagama.
eshede nomntana ubhoyisa ubhekile.
Mina ngithi i-domcop makugura nomuntu ohlala naye almost all the time, every day and every day uphila nomuntu 24/7. Wena which part of your brain doesn't click ikutshela ukuthi lo muntu kumele ngimcabe ukuthi uNtariyana mangicala ngipressa le button uzothi mangisho these words uzokwata uyamcava lo muntu. How do you get to an argument like ibe heated to a part where meleni kapayo? That goes to show blame and ignorance. It starts
Kakhulu.
there.
Yeah.
So manje nisanda ukujolela ama wrong reasons. Ukujolo sewufuna ukujola ngoba wena utswayman awufuna ukubona. Asifani leyo. Solve diabetes, there's other ways to get rid of it. So angeke usuyela abana lento yamanga isipani. Futhi icala yonke into ecala ngamanga iyabhizi. So majority yalama foundation yalama relationship nyana wakhona are based on amanga. Because icala from get go mawufika ipari figure it up acting and playing a role. Uzozenza ngathi wenye ipari ongasiyo. Baba, it's either you love me or you leave me alone. You must come as yourself. Ungazoza la ugqoke some fake nyana, looking with some fake shit. That it's only you can't be character forever. Angeke mfana ube character forever. So kuzofika la kuzothi cut. Yabona, makuthi cut la everything must come down. So uzoziveza.
Siyabonakala.
Ekugcineni noma ungazenza ngathi ikhidayo uma uSathane uzoziveza after 3 weeks soshaya umntana abantu umconvincile ngamanga. Kumele mafuna
Ipara lizovela.
mafuna ukuchophetha umkhosi kumele uthi ukuthi phela ngifuna nje ukuchophetha umkhosi kube ne-understanding umntana abantu they prefer that. Anakufika uzomtshela ukuthi nokuthanda ungazi nokuthi uthanda yini awukwazi ukuzithanda wena self and then you want to love someone else. There's a major difference. Moral ethics and values. They're all in that relationships. Itala from menzini. The key word is charity begins at home. Angikhulumi ngale charity. Lo wakini osebenza home no. Bheka. I'm talking about charity njaya. Itala charity. Endini ntwana sifundiswa la.
Why vele trying bafake out bethi inkukhu Julia nkukhu icheri because sana ukuthi sabe ucuthi icheri.
Yeah, I'm lente le. Yonke into
Eswahili phela lo muntu
ugijimisa
out.
Yeah. Yabona right indlela yokutshela out ukuthi yonke into egijimisayo ayikufuni. If you're chasing after money, you're not gonna get it. If you're chasing after women, you're not gonna get it. If you're chasing after fame, you are not going to get it. Anything everybody it's not for you. But what's for you will come to you. So ungaboni mina ngicula sofuna ukucula. Utata uyazazi ukuthi utata. Uzoculani baba.
Ngeke sidlala ibhola
Do you. So it must do you.
Ngeke sidlala ibhola.
Love what you do and do what you love. Into from emajartini. Cala ukufundisa ingozi zethu that ethic yokuthi you focus on your ingozi uthando lengcosi yakho. What your kid loves.
Yeah.
It's about that. Hayi ukuthi wena ufailile ngoba bofuna ukuba uloya bakushaya. Manje ingozi yakho kumele ibe yiloya ngoba wena ufailile. So you want to succeed your failures ngengozi. That's not the way, baba. The way to go is love what you do and do what you love. Let the kids do the love and then everyone will be okay. That's why gonna vaya kuma Pick n Pay vaya kuma eToro yopona abantu ba miserable kanje. Umuntu ukwatile ukhulumile. Akancane isipani sakhe because it's a job akusi career. So masipona ama career we need to develop a stage yokuthi we teach our kids not ukuthi hambe esikoleni uyosebenza yini. That's a stupid mentality. Hambe esikoleni uyosebenza. Parents
Kumele sifake nomqondo abantwaneni ukuthi baqale bavuse amabhizinisi akwawabo. Umntwana okhona ukufika esibhela stokile ama-halls nama-smoothies akuthengisa Uhlakaniphile uSilinga.
Umuntu onga-investa business kuye, sure.
Yeah, yamthathela mara I don't think angavela amthathele. Maybe usuke athengisa during school hours.
Yeah, so thengisa ngebreak.
Time.
Or ngalawo ma-change period kuyisiphithiphithi.
Yeah, move on.
Yeah.
So talking about parenting,
Parenting.
talking about parenting, we jump to the parental core, whereby Ochaka Dolo on a team.
Yeah,
So you know, you not only have like abantwana bakho, when abanye abantwana ababona
Basestradini, yeah.
understand.
Sure.
Talking about parenting, what do you spot ebantwaneni obona ngathi iyaleka?
Ayishintsha yami. I-support. Ayi-support nje yami. Yabona njengoba mina vele yabona le team, le soccer team ey'ntwana imfulo Young Lions.
Yeah.
Mfethu i-team ukuthi i-registered yangithola. Yeah, i-team esiqalile ne-out yami mfethu. Yangithola esibuyela e-KZN.
Sure.
Yangithola ize ngayi Simpintshama ngimazi. Simpintshama. Ngimcaba. Ngicaba no last. Yeah, mara phela siphumele.
Asikho la.
Yeah, so sayivusa uthami yathi mfethu mani le space lesa sisebenzise, le space sigrand singayenza something vele bekwi-ground ya ngitama no right. Hayi intwana ziqale sijima apha amabholo mfethu. Yabona siqale siyenze lento ngihlanganisa i-kit intwana bezingana soccer kit bhale la ku-social media yami ukuthi abafuna ukungixhasa mfethu bangangixhasa ngaloko bangangixhasa ngako yangithola but no kube ne-out ebathi uChilli man brand ebathi iphuma kimi angisandele angifakele i-soccer kit for intwana siphushe intwana vele ziye sisifake nase-tournamentini ebeyishawa omunye umjito ubhazuka ebeyintswemu ya tournament end of yeah, so sayadlala intwana but no azange ziwine zawine ngegame kwelinye bazikhipha feni yazi sometimes you win sometimes you lose yabo igame injalo. Yeah, so fede but into engayijumpa la masiloku siphushana ne-team fede no sisayimisile kancane yabo. Yeah, but hayi ukuthi ifili so
ngenxa kabani?
Yeah, siyeza yeah. Ukuthi kwenzakaleni yabo kwenzakalani mfethu. So yeah, sharp. So into engibonile ukuthi iyalekha abazali njalo i-support njalo yabo cause bese kune group chat you understand e-team ama-parents whereby siringa nama-parents team yangithola. Yeah, maybe sifake no-coach yangithola yeah. But no abazali mfethu noma ningasho nine-game and kuleyo area la emfulo ngaleso sikhathi yangithola anakugitshelwa cap and it's not even 20 minutes ukuya groundini kwakuyini ukuthatha leyo camp chair yakho yangithola ufike la uzospend isikhathi la kusigame ukuthi manje uyodlala 90 minutes eyintwana kuluma ngabantu abanabo ma-level understand but leso sikhathi awusithathi umzali. I'm not saying bebangezi bonke total abazali bakhona but it was just a few yabazali ebebafika abazofaka i-support for intwana yangithola but the rest bebangafiki yabo. Lento le isiyeri ufuna ukuthi uze ngomphakathi ukuthi intwana yakho iyashisa ntariya mara wena mfethu lentwana le awuzihluphi
ufuna yini ukuthi uyobheka
yabo. Uwe ngabe uthi awushayela iflate mayishekisho religibela njengotito mara wena ubhizi uhleli laphayana ushaya ibhizi yangithola ayibaleki
priority
ayibaleki bongayiqova wayana yangithola ke ayithwele esibhubhini yangithola wayeploma labuye ebincosi yazidlala grand but no akusinto eqale no ngakudala mfethu kudala singakawa i-support mfethu ufike ema-concertini kuphi uyocula bebazela ukuthi umntwana akho uyacula yangithola bafike abazali abafana nabo ma-oledi karile bohile emfukeni yabo abayayo ema-groundini yabo because ngiyabona la oledi maybe nala ngicava yabo but ngiyabona ukuthi aliqalanga last week no nje ngoba libuya la cause ngeke ngabona leyithombe before intwana ifika na ku development ya Pirates. She was always there support leyo nto mfethu ifaka umdlandla entwaneni ngithola intwana iyabona ukuthi fanele ngilitisha time lami ngoba ngifuna noku-impress time lami ngithola manje wena
support so time abhaca banguthi support is ngenyuku
angithi lento engihlala ngisho ukuthi your presence is more important than the present. Your presence is more important than ama-presents owathengayo
Thank you.
That's a
Uyangi-understand. So leyo mizuzu nje uyispende
Present.
nemntwana iyajabulisa mfethu, uyatsekela amabhutshwane ephakini yochichiriza lapha.
Yeah.
Uyangithola kusuke ukuthi kufuneka vele umuntu ezisemgangathweni amaleyisini. Nawo lawo mabhutshwa kuyena lapha kumadala or kuphi kuthenga ama-popcorn.
Yeah.
Kuyahlalwa ephakini.
Time is spent.
Leyo moment intwana ngeke
Yeah.
ikhohlwe liyevela.
Sure.
Yeah.
Understand. Ungayenza excuse ngokuthi abantu abakunamali ungayenza imali yonke into manje imali. Emfethu umntana wakho lo. Kumele uyombona.
So yabona ifailure yengozi njengoba noekasi nentana 90% etana zasikasi ama-junkie, so they call them or amaphara.
Yeah.
You cannot blame labo bantu labo. Sorry to put it directly. Place one, parenting. It's all in your parenting. So when your kid ili nyaupe, umona ili and nobody, you must remember that you as a parent has failed, or you as a brother, as an older brother to that person has failed to be an older brother. And what is the purpose of being a parent, guardian, and an older person? It's all in your. So you fail them by you failing to actually acknowledge the state of being with you. Okay, you see me and how do we go about it? Because y'all were never there. You don't even know your kids. You'll never get to know your kids because of when ufuna abe at the kitchen lefuna who.
Yeah, angithi nasendlini angeke ukukhona ukwazi umntwana wakho cause nihlakanila.
I'm sorry. You don't know anything yourself. Ngemali yabantwana sezinhlwembu ngedisc abotariana, so abotete fly, abo carrera, abo muchichi chichi ntwana ensembu, abo spiti abo mapencil, zonke they have one thing in common. One, jagathi basikhathi because bonke baqhawathile inyawo mamele bayo mfana at the final stage mase badlala laba Pirates sebafika la baqhawathile inyawo.
Abanye discipline yabo behavior yabanye yabo. Abanye sicava abantu abantswembu mfethu khona nayo ngasekhenza yafika kuma ngikhosi igama layo kuma trial la kubo Pirates apparently yaphasa yabo andabo Palacios yabo kuye kwenzeka ukuthi i-back i-sports back sakhe sitholakala kule mavetana. So uqoshiwe for
discipline. As a sportsman,
because noma uya ema-tournamentini wasemkunti mfethu lawa la elokishini ufike la ukubheka ezingo nokuyibona vele after game iyankawuza kanti ibhekwe esinye scout yabona and iqeda ukubulala kule game enza amasiko
leniza kanjani
already phakathi kweqembu lamahabi.
Yabona kufuneka yabona kahle that is why it's necessary ukuthi ku-sport ube ne-agent, umuntu ozoku-educator incosi ngokuthi bheka since uyi-sportsman, these are the ways ama-regulations kumele wenze kanje, kumele ubehave kanje, izinto esingenazo but in the northern suburbs it's called
hayi kabi kumngeni emlomeni baphe ngiyazi ukuthi niyakwata
asikwati
hayi ngithi la bukelo zothi wamkhathile wena bothatha nimphuzise bese nomdlalisa ibhola. Ushavule
hayi besingamphuzisi bekakuphuzela besizibuyele emapatini noShavule noBikraro siye diskini baba. Shavule akajimanga the whole week mara ngiyakutshela uyangena uShavule ngena phezu kwalo kazakora
uyobula
phezu kwela lavuka
iyo lento ekuyela team yami ukuthi imiswe yini ngithola imiswe yizo lezo zinto. uHotman mina ngiyamfadela nalast benginayo vele uShavule emphakamisela
kodwa basuka abantu ngamampela ebholweni
ujabule last number yabo leyo nto leyo yabo vele ngiyacaba bekangena uthola ukuthi bekangekho kuma-training session angena yenza umsebenzi like asigcwele lento ukuthi uthole ukuthi sekuyavutha so nizanenge yase-DK ekubeni i-team yasemfundo. Uyangithola uyaphi lo uyangithola ngoba manje le ntwana ezinye ezijimile
abajimile
enye into yakhawatha emise i-team yami i-favoritism ukuthi manje uthola ucoach yabo lo coach lo indaba yabo bekayenza amafoto sometimes yabo yabona nokuzwa ngabanye abantu ukuthi faka abantu ongafaki bani yabona akusinto emjojo ke likhawathi intwana mina bezirenga nami ukuthi hayi mani imali sona so
Sure.
yeah but ngibo so hiyo leyo nto leyo
Okay.
so wangibuza nawe ukuthi wangaliyeka idisk
Yile nto le yabona.
so idisk mina bengilithanda yo yabo mara ngiliyeke yo 10 LEH ngiliyeke 10 LEH mina ibhola plus mina edlaleni ngeke zalo ezidlala ibhola nje ezinswembu ngithola yabo but mina yimi kuphela ngayithathela indlela yami bengilincane blind yabo but no kwenzeka ukuthi ayi ala ngikhula inhliziyo yabo phela mina ngaliyeke 10 LEH ukuthi mfethu ukubona uya egymini every training session uya baloku bathi well done Thabiso yayibona leyo nto I now sure ukuthi vele weekend ngiyangena yabo weekend ayangena yabo fika nasendlini abatshela hani bar well done hayi never well done khona yabo ukhuthela ngithi intwana weekend awungeni iyenzeka ngetime maybe yabo hayi lokhu yilokhu yenze angifaka nokufakwa vele sekuzokhala impema yabo so mina ngigcinele ngibhora ibhola cause bese ngiyelani ukuyodla isikhaftini ukuringa evara ngiyozidlela isikhaftini sami hlale yabo ngingakathi half time sengisiqedile ngiyangithola ngoba yikho into engizela abangifaki labantu laba ngifika ukuthi ngigcine
Bengekho mina.
mara wale bathi well done hayi bathi well done bathi ngiyabonga
Kumele basho wena uyinkomo wena kumele udlale basketball. Kumele bakutshela hayi ukuthi bathi well done. Well done.
Why people
Kuphula confidence wala abantu wena
nje sawini i-league enaday yabo ya simfulo nights team ndoda sithola ama-medal nami bangihlohla i-medal nami ngijabulile engiyayithatha yazi ngiyohlobisa la e-dining room kusasenama-room divide ngibeke la phambi kwala mabhodlela lawa kanje yabo mara uyazi sithela itiye
Mara nila
hlobisa sitiye sikankeli asibheke ujahila just pace so yabona mfethu bagcine balanda i-medal bayithatha khabo trekhe ibuyela kubo abo coach abomzala
lo coach abana labo coach uyashayela
thatha
kanjani
imedal yami sengisumoya mfana ngakhala inyembezi ngisasentwana maybe benginabo-11 ngakhala sibali yebo and manje bezingiphawatha ngoba bese ngiya la emagroundini mara ngangeni la eNadeli kune-shopping center kune-Shoprite senginokuphuma ngiziyelele ngenza ama-choppers sekuyinjwayelo ukuthi mina makuyiwe emagroundini mina yabo vele besivanga ngetreni siyahle eNansfield Hostel sigibele eNansfield Hostel nokubuya siyehla khona feel yabo sha ama-chocolate ngelinye ilanga bangibamba noma uleli wabona ukuthi tabathisa kobholongo vele ngadecide ukuthengisa ama-cox phela ngiwathengisa e-Chucks angifikanga kulawa phezulu njengoba bengikutshela phuma Jomosono phuma Botsotso Kinga or Nike or Predator Adidas angifikanga la ngithengise nge-cox lokuqala phuma winga ngayisa
and manje wena uyekisa wena ungayincane uyekisa ezinye impela.
So yamoto ukuthi ujoyine kanjani music? Ujoyine kanjani music?
ngayosishayela idemo namajita wami ase-Central 1998
So bekahambani ngaleyo era leyo?
bekahamba ikwaito kabuhlungu yazi nalezi besiya ema-concertini siperforma baba yabo sishaya i-Chiscope thina siperforma abo-Dr. Mahu abo-Chiscope uyangithola lezi zidayile yazi ezingazinazi yalwela uyazi udakhi yalwela dala silwela mfethu ubona ukungena eklasini kunuka ama-chips first period uzibuza ubani lokhera ama-chips ekuseni kanje kanti kunuka ivinika ushaya ibhatshisi uyithingele uyangithola so lezi ezinikele lokudala ngama-food coloring alilethe izulu shaya ngamanzi imvula mali yanto shaya iconsela yini ukhola le kuwhatever igqokile vele maybe concert ila sigqoka impahla zasekhaya yabona seyigcwele amadayi inkalakatho isizwe kodwa ngitongso yabo
sigela ngey'nkathi zami ubuze isister lakho lizokutshela eza nami liyazi bengishaya tong uyazi mangishaya itongtong bekashaya kunye kabuhlungu
ungadelelwa la skippa ama-5
la family
Join noma wena ngalesi sikhathi.
Wow, ulian bugumtuan. Ulian bekangekho bengisasesigela kawo. Phela thina sami-matriculate back up 2000 back then nangithola. Bungakabi namazinyo aphelele.
Angakacabi ukuthi
Matriculate.
kanjani.
Yeah. Yabona thina ama-prefect mas-matriculate abongakafiki nase-high school. Bungakagelezi nokugeleza.
Kabana bese prefect yenu.
Mfana abayazi laba begeleza nambela sizokutshela ukuthi ale yake kuyiphosa. Kuyinjani impilo bephathana grand. Uthi mnandi.
Ne, so before we hop into the music side, yabo. So uChaka Dola bafethu ayikhuluma ukuthi Panda first time in the pod or in the camera. Umuntu omjoinise umusic ulobe angamfaki. So shout out to that nigga because the music wakaChaka Dola.
Shara. UChaka Dola dlala manje kube yisoka sya.
Nokuhlangana. Yabo, nokuhlangana nabushayile.
Ibheka. Uthinayi le phansi.
Ufakele umavetana ngigaya.
Wangathengisa le medal.
Mfana yazi mfana.
Awukansile dala ikalisi.
Ngwana mudi kesona.
Ayise. Dala ikalisi.
Mara wangikhawathara uthando lo disc. Mara wanginceda ngoba yabona ngizenzela into
Bene sekwenzulushin.
yabo.
Abanye abanayo technique.
Mara ngibonile ukuhlala ebenchini njalo. And into ebengiking. Kuyakolekwa. Yabo. Kole kuyinyuku. Skip inyuku zethu ukuthi kuthengwe i-powder soap. Ukuthi kuwashwe le kit. Ebekudlalwa ngayo kubeni mina. Angijulukazi. Yabo mina bengibona ukuthi zisizela ngobuso.
Hayi zamubuso. Anobuso ngiyakubona.
Zinokuthi bolekisane nge-cox lakho. Yanginyanyisa.
And le ngathi iboleke yayibona bengena njalo ningathi ayingalayizi kancane.
Izonukisa amakhosi.
Ayizwani ne-TV.
Bengingababoleki. Angithi abangifaki. Bengisengilenge inhliziyo.
Yabona ukuthi thunani la.
Abesengiwaha nge-cox lami. Ngabona ukuthi ngona ngelibhayisi.
Yeah.
Once. Lebhola ngiyaliyeka njalo. Once.
Yeah. So bafethu hopping into the music bafethu. Isemakuras Drive, Last Street Car Wash bafethu. No dumping. This is not a dumping place. That's why we shoot a podcast.
You dump, you die.
Yeah, you dump.
You dump, you die.
You dump your life. You dump your life. So Last Street Car Wash. Make sure you pull up your motors and you come watch the podcast. Come bafethu amabhodlela akhona bafethu. Come have lunch. Come chill.
Bafethu ningakhohlwa nokusubscribe
Like,
Subscribing and like it
ngicabanga amapijama bathaka lelang uguqeka amadolo aligidlanga ligoqanga nangamadolo
livukile
lagijima
and seyicomment yazi lento leyo ngibona kuma-comment bathi kasalala agcoka ngamapijama
basebasho kanjani
ngiyasilandela and ngiyayithanda
ukuthi majority yamajitekasi abenamapijama
silala ngamajoke
dala ngingazi angithi yazi ivar aninawo amapijama ngiyazezenza ngathi aninawo mangathi ngishaye ipijama party la ubona umhlolo.
Talking about ipijama party umuntu esovala ngaye but shout out for the story sakhe and shout out for the team.
Shout out.
Bafethu ukuthi ni support a team. If it's a Soweto and you see this podcast, just ne 200 ne 300 for the team. Ukuthi bathola amaswakabhuti. Benicela bafethu ni supporteni. I-crime izwe. Yayibona because utanakho usupportwa umuntu wenza i-crime, so yenza i-crime zone.
Ilapho vele.
So talking about music. Zulu Mob. Izulu linathi.
MOPP.
Mfethu, talking about Zulu. What is Zulu Mob?
Back in the
day. You.
Bonke babangakarap. Nabo Ricky Rick.
Before kufika
kwezinto bebengakarap no rap. Before everyone. Even rap ukuqala actually. In the 80s baba. Bekuyimi umrapper. Ngiyi-one jayam. Mangibiza my man. Ask everybody in the hood. Ezikhulile ethi ezokutshela next door Danish. Bekuyimi umrapper ngiyi-one. I was the only one bekashaya yangithola ngisagcoka amakhalkhanayo mfana
after
Yes,
kwesinyaka
ngathi-
ngoba ngithi bathe usinyaka
usinyaka uye vele
Sinyaka
e-Deep Kloof la usinyaka was the first rapper.
Soweto.
Mina I was the first rapper at-Deep Kloof. And then Soweto usinyaka
Usinyaka.
Saturday Sunday. Ngijabula
Yeah.
DJ. Yeah,
Yeah.
yabona.
So talking about the GPV, babe,
Eish.
we have an
GPV.
incident that happened, which is the GPV, where one of our artists, a legendary artist, not just an artist, like a legendary, Godman, Pitch Black Afro,
Eish.
by
STK.
Oh,
dot
super.
za.
yeah,
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 Stooks,
yeah, talking
Stooks.
about that,
That's
Like-
the idea.
what transpired, because that was your era.
You know, it's like what? It's the same thing that transpired Masbuada in Smacks. And Sugar Smacks was party later in the sense.
Yeah,
That's the day we lost Flava.
Eish.
That one. Ish, rest in peace, my nigga. Miss my
Really,
boy.
really, I need
But
that.
it's the same thing when I broke up. It's these relationships that are toxic and not healthy. That one. Yeah. Who's Tugza? Ish, my nigga. That one I no Trisha.
Yeah,
Those everybody knows that was the dope couple.
The couple.
Bebenganyana blind nje. Muthisha bekanganyana isithupha like mad. To an extent umntana was keep izinyo lakhe ukuthi yena nosithupha bameshe isibele mikhilo.
so we left the
That's how
bracket.
dope they were. Angithola. But now into the toxic now that relationship was now they say figure to a level ba be express uthando ngokushayana. I don't know where that comes from. Bengeke sibe ku event iphele mfana umthupha nothisha bangaqabananga live dasibhekile nathi as bystanders we fucked up. Because what are we senzani? Are we mabagura be senza at least mina nithila msigura le kamreni phela or what? Yabo, it's one of those things because the more toxic it gets, the worse it gets. That's abahlala bakutshela ukuthi one day kuzophuma isidumbu and it's
Yeah.
not a joke.
Yeah, vele siphuma.
In the end siyaphuma isidumbu because now inhliziyo mfana ayiphakele yabo. Mindset ayibozi. It's not you that's acting there. Beyond emotions. So umuntu omncane makakunyanyisile, you are more likely to kill that person. That's why best friends become strangers.
Eish.
It's something that people don't look at.
Bad.
So love is love, Joe. You must first thing mele sicave yini uthando. Unconditional love. Kunothando. Oh, that's the only one that works. No unconditional love. Umuntu uyakwazi ukumthanda for who and what they are. Without wanting to change them, control them, or feel
Sure.
ukuthi
Yeah.
you need to make them a possession.
Sure.
Yeah.
Then you let a person be, then you can freely love and be loved. No manje leyo ukuthi uncanye umuntu there where you end up, I love you, then next is fuck you. It doesn't make sense. Alright.
Yeah.
So kumele change the paradigm. And then we will end these toxic relations. Like Wabana knows Tugza, my boy, had to go spend 10 years, full decade, right when his career was peaking.
It is spent 10.
Young son.
What should I tell, man?
What should I tell? 10 years of my nigga's life was taken
Yeah.
from Mustug.
So yabona bheki kanjani lento lena usithokoza i-out ibulele imeli, then sinemeli
Flava, ile Amedi, le Tawati Praya.
because bobukhona lelo langa. What happened?
Mina besengibekiwe, mina masibuya lapha ephathini kaSmatchet.
Yeah.
Ngibekiwe.
Andile langa leli bebathini vine yeGomora no.
Yangithola. So mina wangibeka kula ngibeka khona masisifika lapha kimi complex bengisaseno hospital.
Yeah.
Oh konje abona futhi bekumuntu rapha kuphela ehlala esentini. Dala umuntu ahere. But my
Tino.
abona iGomora beyilama. Nabona ngicemula into like Gomora is here. I could have just went. Ngifuna ukuthi angimncane. Ngathi yabona I'm holding on to something. But one thing I knew and I know Kaflavaristo, he didn't deserve that. Because I'm fair too. Just because of jealousy and what she really unkeen. I don't know what to talk about.
No man deserves that.
No man deserves that. Now, mfana,
Like why?
from even alebe kaloku umuntu onayo afuna amjahile ngithi wayekambele yabona like umuntu ohok. Uyakwazi ukuthi lecture and lecture group. Uyakwazi ukuthi group kaFlava. Ithola unkulu now man. She just came into the picture and then all of a sudden sekafaka lamazipho wakhe la waka Chris Helder. Devilish. I lecture mina ngitwala. Hey Baba, I'm a Christian man.
So like
Mara, I don't forgive that chick. She's stupid.
so if umuntu akubuza what, how do you receive the call, like bengingawo izolo dog, tell them
Mfana,
something, like,
share ukuthi
tell us.
seshoka dog. In fact, mina ibraza ngiphathi porile dog.
Yeah,
Seshoka yoro. Bupro Hey, mfana, niggas are born. Inspire, people die like this. Like a lot of niggas that I was close to, like I've lost a lot of niggas who were close to me. And one thing I can tell you, a lot in and out of the industry. Wow.
Sure.
So that shit can give you a bit of, a different light into life.
So talking about that, Buffett, ngiyabona ukuthi GPV is not one-sided.
Yeah, it's both sides.
It's both sides. Ubulawa intombazana, ubulawa umfana.
Sure.
So mabaqale bathi kuwe phuma kule relationship before uzobhola. Inobungozi. Ifakela ama-specs lawa ka-Solphenduka. You understand? So mfethu, we spent a lot of time again but then RIP to Bruno Brian Matola one time. Abantu abaningi abazi ukuthi Bruno ubonile.
Nami mfana yazi lento kaBruno nayo imphatha kabi. When I still saying on that topic, this one is even worse. This was my little nigga, my twin boy. Mabona uBruno ubona mina dog.
Yeah.
You see, namanje a lot of y'all got me confused. Namanje abanye babacabanga ukuthi uBruno now at home.
And abantu ababhalo abanye abantu bebangekho aware ukuthi
Yeah.
Ngokubona na ku Facebook.
Look, it's tired at the ends of the
And
day.
uBruno akazibulalanga.
Yeah, angeke isibonise.
Yeah.
I mean, I know my nigga. He wouldn't have done that. I doubt that my nigga would have actually. I doubt that Bruno actually took his life. Leo,
So
man, I knew him way better than the person he was with at the time.
Lithi mina ngimavi fede yabo ngaleyo era vele besipusha sonke uyazi thilo besekemini sonke esigijini.
Yeah.
Ngento zenkathi zabo H2O yabona bona bo Prolinda yabo bona bo Kumshev or la
Get him out away, man. Come along, Bruno. Bawuthanda ngangibida nangothilo. Rest in peace, Tanayam. Rest in peace, Bruno.
Because ngivukile Bruno one time.
Wena umfishini ungacabanga ukuthi asazi ngoba siyazi, and now God knows, and now it's in the hands of God, and watch what's gonna happen. No turn is coming. No time is coming. Imeli kabani?
Lien.
Why ukuthi uLian media? Why Lian is my buddy, my dog, my ninja. Yeah, way back. I know her.
No.
Lian Mufux is my girl, dog. Yes, we are fair blind. We are fair blind, dog.
So niyazana in and out.
In and out of the club or in and out of the hood. In and out of what, bruh? Because she's my home girl. Shout out Lian. But too, Lian, you need to help me find out how did my nigga die, man. I doubt that he killed himself.
Manje uthi yena kumele afind out kanjani lapho
Yeah, vele. Uzositshela ukuthi vele. Ukuthi vele. Because my girl powerful, man. I know powerful people. Angithathi kancane son. Abantu abane-power. On some cancer tip.
No poet.
Ikasi lizovuka whether you like it or not.
Manje upoet Lien.
Makhuluma ngama-group wami wabawukudala. Mina ngithi.
Athi upoet group yakhe yakudala.
Hey baba, who was in my group?
Mfethu uthilo baba uzela no make you
Oh yeah, Mechi. Yo, Mechi, yeah, we're going to invite you here. We're going to have an interview. It's about me and Tubes. I know you behind all of that. So yeah, if you want to get me, my nigga, this is where you find me. But now we're going to do a bit of a twist where we're going to interview you, not the other way around.
We interview you.
You want to interview me, I interview you. And you get the info, and I'll give you the real scoop about everything, dog. The whole shenanigans. From Amanda Dubois' time, from how we met her, and what everything happened from there onward. From everything, dog. That's what you get.
Amanda Dubois.
That's my, yeah.
Ngoma phela singakhuluma bayazi.
Ukuthi wenza mnandi.
Mnandi singakhuluma nangaye.
Wenza mnandi.
Impintshi yakho na.
Hayi mfethu. Mina impintshi yami uTariana ngoba nami la. Kungenayo la impintshi yami. This is my nigga, cause he's here, bruh. You can't call yourself my nigga when you're not here. Nah, Injaya, I'm Chuck Dizzy. This is my dog. Injaya,
Belele,
my dog.
belele, Thiyo,
Yeah,
Thiyo.
it's accessory.
Taki.
Deep Soweto, at Deep Soweto. Silas!
Abanye.
Yeah, my second.
Namanje so people
Yeah,
not
King
the-
Flow, my dog. Marapega.
I
Yeah.
think I'd love at better with King Flow fake it kanti boya kampela.
Not King
No,
Flow.
bekacabanga ukuthi esanova thufule na capsule
Oh,
Traxonic.
Jacksonic, Intwana, Injaya.
ngabe ngokuchayela
Rest in peace, Jacksonic.
afeni nabacavu ukuthi wabhola
Nababatabu, Jacksonic.
Traxonic ile awutheshale ngoma kuvolume 1 eDeep Soweto le bebathi indoda ayikhali imani ifele phakathi iyakuqinisela ngaso sonke isikhathi noma iwele phansi ishaya ngetolo ivuza amagazi imali uthintitha umhlabathi besiphinde iphakame yeah so ukawa or la feri yabona
RIP abaflava bojeba man.
mara kaya ngicela
Jeba.
ukuthi funeral kakawa siyathendanga siloko siyi-Deep Soweto siyi-group siyi-movement so
Why?
Oh, Islam, ne?
yeah
Yeah, liyabe we-Muslim.
Muslim
Oh,
so kuthethi nama sisabheke ukuthi kusalungiselelwa indaba zokuthi uyabehravo
Mshangile, bro.
baqedile yabo
yes.
zange sikhona ukumbeka
Traxonic, le ngoma dedicate izidakamizwa ampana mina naliyabe sirepa etraining ngibanga egari
baba amasayifa bewathi i-Deep Soweto
Yale
besisuka
mfana.
besikhona ukukhwenza abantu sibathole ecoachini le-train ungazostadi
the whole way kufike Jostaw yarechwa hardcore
sibasuse etuleni bayazinaba nabafana abarepa bayasukuma bashintsha
change the game.
sesinakho after lapho singahlala
Yeah,
sesiqhaqile isithi amasidi
Yes.
beatbox from Enhlanzane station thiwejozi uthola ziwa bomahora cafe or baseline
Yes.
siyabangena
And
siyabangena ngetrain asinanamatikiti mfethu kusamele simbize uSilas akazoyikhokha plus kumele ngimbize
We're still locked in the Kasivukile yabona. We're still trying to get the viewers more yabo. So there's also always cutting to it because ngifuna ukuthi nibe nathi la. So the last question and bese ngizoyivala ngenye controversial kokugcina. Ithi ngivale ngale bese ngishaya ukugcina two. Not just two.
and then yeah, stop and focus.
Just no.
And jump next.
Why nina bengafuni Deep Soweto i-rap esibhedlela. Because Chaka Dolo yasho ukuthi beniba ngokugraba. Yini?
but not ngiyakuthi izulu mapasikaze sabanye business
Thina yazi yangimangaza
hayi wena
Ernesto ubani wethu kodwa umuntu ebekadila ngelist da uGudi maneke Gudi no Ernesto uye vele lesiphasile isikulu angizozanti yathi zamungawani ngizokutshela ukuthi nina kanti nina you were sabotaging my boy
amarivar ivar lelo bayazi nabo ukuthi ivar mara sikuda ukuthi
that means they were shook inja bezifila ukuthi yo lezi zizositerrorize
vele besifika senza amasimba
yabona
that was before sibhaya zirepha le into lezirepha
kasi rap vele now not siyazi
mfethu
Guys, what Kasi rap thought Deep Soweto? All you guys are after. Nonke ni after. The first crew is Deep Soweto.
but no the first crew is us it's the mob it's Zulu mob
Okay, mob.
Deep
Deep
Soweto
Soweto it was formed in 2005
and then Zulu mob was Zulu mob retired 2005 when we came from New York with Zulu United we said it's Zulu United then retired 2.5
baba basayina but lokho akusho ukuthi thina besingakaphushi upro yena wa-inspire ezibhaye zekasirapha so engipost kuthanga izolo kuthanga mentionile abomrepha touchline ukuthi post yakhona isho kanjani abantu abaye ba-inspire upro yabo wawala ne-Deep Soweto mara mina mina ukuthi
inspire uyi-colleague wena bo-inspire unazo
bangithathi ubuntswemu bakhe kuye upro bekantswemu but hayi kusho ukuthi besi-inspire upro ukuze senze phela ngiqalanga ukurepha nge-Deep Soweto le eform 2005 and i-Heads and Tails iphume 2005 so ungi-inspire kanjani ukuthi
yabuza ukuthi 2005 mina besengine-album lesingadi besedala ngiye-platinum I was already gold
Wena
Khona bullet and knife was now long ago.
Khona bullet and knife beyintswembi khona bullet.
2003.
makhosmane omnyawazi.
Khona bullet and knife ya 2003.
203, sure.
Okay, makhosmane sethe on there. Njengoba because sivala. I love like yabona maskandi semnandi and sithi baphethe uzothanda isibona sikandi. Angeke niphele ngisibona nga-1-1. Le ama-1-1 ayisebenzi.
Welele.
Uzothola sikanje and without Chuck D. Welele ibe ngayo mara bike deep so mara before ngiphendula. Click why vele.
Ukuthi
Why welele ihambe ngawe mara beyenza deep so yonke.
The strikers, it's like a silent tribe. We're a tribe. There's Soweto, Deep Soweto. Within Deep Soweto, one of the ones who were active, like Sia was more active, Chaktizi was more active. It's called King Flow, and that's on trial.
Last number.
Flow with God. The boy is the sound, he is the brains. Leonton himself over. But then he just commercialized. But I shall not kick though. I was like cannibals. If I'm cannibals.
Yeah.
Yeah. The Topaz rap, but you don't know of him. Then Mangati then if you follow Kulma, want to Mangati Chuck Dola was influenced by someone. Yeah, Chuck Dizzy could have been influenced by Flow. Probably. Nothing King Flow.
Not really.
Not really. Because when they say,
okay, we're not influencing pro.
When I'm influencing everybody. Everybody was influenced by me. Now,
incident got to let's wrap it up. Incident got to you meeting with Michael Jackson. You meeting
Baba.
Oprah.
Mama check, Mama check. Mama check, you know you're the boss. Ushif, pausa ya mapausa. Abonga chat ga.
Obani?
Impinchi ofaka chuka.
Mama check.
Mama check impinchi ga Oprah to. Mina not use mfetho sivaya ngechiteng just pass. Basibiza bathi sizwakale la isitera la sine surprise. Yazi masifika sitholani baba. Ngiyadlala. Uroni, yabo Uroni uyazi uronza Uroni yakala papa action okuqala. Bekuyi one of the lectures nyane lapha isikela saka Mama Jeni. Ngafundisa ingqondo drama yabo. Hawu. Siyafika sithi uronza akekho. Ojani mfetho eclass lakhe leader. Abantu uronza naye khathele kuba imovie ubukela iTV yazi uronza bekapheka bobantu bapeke amazi Michael Jackson MJ Weko Jeko pheka ke ithi engithina sithola uMichael Jackson sithola uMichael Jordan sithola uOprah Dikembe Mutombe nyawuthelingana nePaul which was this Kelab's name after he was the foundation called Dikembe Mutombe Foundation. Nigerian basketball player.
Okay.
That was before the Oprah.
Okay, before the Oprah.
Yeah. The girls, let's get a sabucheri.
There's an Oprah.
Yeah, which was run by Mama Jeni.
Okay.
So that was what the meeting was for. So before that's when we basically want to open the website.
So sizoyibamba next episode. I didn't say. Ngephambi kukaTlego Ntariyana Mula aka Mr. Sotho Kapela Motseba aka Mr. Kill himself. Into naseMakhonje la kulo moto la ngiya khona iPoti. I was born in Soweto but my soul is in Italy. That's why they call me Intariana Mafethu sister last street car wash. No dumping. This is not a dumping place. It's a place to make a movement. So out here for me, Mafethu.
Uzomela ubalekele Italia. Yabona ifaka indaba ezinjani. Ubalekele Italia.
Mina ngibalekele Italia.
Mara vele bayekela khona. Yabona bekuthiwe bithi first black Italiano. So it's all in Italian. I'm Italian. Indaba Maria Zit.
Chaka.
Welele IG ayina steering ikhoza kuphela. Welele vele endele ikasi livukile IG ayina steering. Subscribe and like.
Subscribe and keep
liking. We have more.
Like it.
Ngitshela ukuthi kweziningi indawo. Masibuya baphethu we have more. Sizonitshela ngobrand Fasi. Sizonitshela asikakhulumi. Lekusase taste.
Yeah.
Eyo.
Mara wena
Lentwana iyasipika lena mara Hayi wena plus mama. Wesiphosa plus mama.
Hey, ungibona ngehlanyuka ntwana ngisuke nyotabalazi Aliphilu ngamjaji ngifuna le mali ungibona ngiphandakazi